How to add green screen in Capcut. Adding a green screen in Capcut lets you replace the background with any image or video for creative video editing, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get that done. So I have here an example. So this is the file that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to go ahead and play this for you guys. Alright, so it's just like this. It's basically a person who's just walking along this kind of like bridge here. Now what I'm going to do in order to get that done, or to remove this background and add a green screen, is basically this one here. You're just going to go ahead and click this one. You're going to go ahead and hit cut out, and then you're going to go ahead and click auto cut out. As you can see, once you get that done, it manages to remove everything else apart from that person walking. Now what you are going to do is look for say for example, we're going to go ahead and open the library, and here we're going to look for a green screen. So there are different green screen options here. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one for example. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and drag it here. Now we're just going to go ahead and make this as long as possible. Oops, there's this one here. We don't need that one. Alright, just this one for example. Alright, there you go. This is, I guess, a picture. Alright, just like that. And then from this point forward, we're going to go ahead and make this as big as possible. And then we're going to put our video here in the first layer. So here's how it is going to look. Alright, there you go. Now say for example, you see some sort of like this one here, like those white lines. There are actually different options here. For example, you can go ahead and choose which one you want. Yeah, just like that. You can definitely remove that one. Just go ahead and choose the none option here. You will see it be gone right away. So yep, that's how you are going to do it. Congratulations everybody. Now you know how to add green screen here in Capcut. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.